Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And I'm welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel and higher value CPR. That is what the scanner which I'm going to create. Previously, we created the same kind of thing, but we are using some custom indicator to create this one. And also we try to find out how to find the reversal trade opportunity based on the higher value CPR scanner. Okay, so you can see this is what a condition which you are going to create. So compared to the previous day, higher value CPR. So look at this. This is a completely a higher value, and this is also a higher value, and this is lower value, and lower value, and lower value. If the CPR, if we keep on going lower, one point of the time it is going to be reversed. Okay, so we how to find out that reversal. Okay, that is what the main important thing which we are going to discuss in this video, and also we have to create the higher value CPR. Okay, so we will try for a lower value on next video. So we try to create the higher value CPR, and let me try to start creating the scanner, and then how to use it. We will discuss on this video itself. And let me start with the scanner creation, and I tell you one thing very importantly. So these are all the scanners which I'm created for informational and educational purpose. If you want to access my premium scanners, it's paid only. I'm not going to give you any free. Okay, so already I given a lot of things which is free on my Telegram group. If you want a group, you just ping me, I will share it that. Okay, here is the group which I'm going to create, and I'm showing you how to use it. Okay, so if you know that, you can create your own scanner based on this logic. Okay. Okay, so let me start with that scanner. It's a simple one. The logic is I tell you the logic, so you can create that also. I'll just always using in the future and options stocks. So because it is a high liquid and quality stock which we are going to filter out. And the first condition is the pivot level. Okay, the CPR. The CPR pivot, it must be greater than the CPR pivot. Okay, so we already created the custom indicator. So what we are going to use, and if you want to check today's data, you need to go for 2 days ago and 1 day ago. So that will help you to find out today's stocks. For example, Adani Enterprise, Adani Port is cards. So let me go to show you Adani Enterprise. Look at this, the black line. Okay, so here I just mentioned in the black line is about a pivot, and red line is about TC, and blue line is about a green line is about BC. So you need to understand that concept. Sometimes the BC and TC may vary. Okay, the TC is in red and BC is in blue. In this case, you can look at this, and this is the major confusion. Here is the BC, and in this case, here is the TC. Okay, sometimes it may be vary up and down. Okay, so normally red should be greater than the black, and black green should be less than the black. It should be the exact value. So yesterday is a huge move on the stock, so no problem with that. So we will try to find out. If you normally use it, sometimes it may be very also. Okay, so to avoid that condition, escorts, the next one, sorry, close this one. Escorts is the one. So this is perfectly. So you can see it is a keep on consecutive move. And after this is also the higher value CPR and exactly the same. Okay. So you can see the BC and continuously BC and TC exactly the same. But sometimes the BC can be changed over. Here you can see the BC is in higher and TC is in lower. Okay. So here is the normal one. From there it moves. And that is also we can simply filter out with the scanner. We maybe try to create that scanner in the next video, or maybe in soon we can try to plan for that. Okay, so simple higher value CPR, and then we are going to this one we are going to create for today's scenario. Okay, and another one more conditions we have to use the top TC maybe greater than TC greater than CPR pivot. Okay, 1 day ago. So this will also be a 1 day ago. So if we run this Adani, it should be the C, and something randomly we can check escorts. That's it should be the C. and everything would be a seam, ultratech cement. Ultratech cement also be the same. TC is greater than. But in this case, you can see we are looking for a higher value CPR, but in this case, you can see it is inside or a lower value or a narrow, something like that. Okay, so in this TC, here we are looking for a greater than or greatest. Simply we can use for the other conditions. Okay, so we should remove not a CPR one. And 1 day, 2 days ago, top TC. If you are using that, that will be a better one. 2 days ago. Something here. If you are using this, we'll be getting 100 in stock, but that ACC will be removed from this list. I think ACC also be there. So let me check ACC. Sorry, we check this Ultratech cement. Ultratech cement is not in this group, so it will be removed. Okay, the first condition is greater than. We are going to check, and let me check any random Dixon. Okay, so here the PC is a crossover, not happening the exact thing. Okay, so only pivot condition we used, pivot is greater than, and here in this case you can look at this, the BC turn into TC and the TC turn down to the BC. That is what an important condition that we mentioned. So if you normally use the scanner, you will be facing a lot of issues. Okay, so simple how to filter out that. Simply go for, I'll tell you, instead of that, BC bottom 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 BC greater than top TC. Maybe this will work. 1 day ago, in the 2 days ago. We are running this 76 stock. So let me check Adani Enterprise or any Ambuja Cement, Bank of Baroda. Yeah, we got it perfectly. From comparatively, that was an exact higher level. Okay, compared to this CPR, and it is higher value. And randomly we can check Bandhan Bank. Perfect. You hope you got it. And even we can filter out, it's a normal CPR. This is a normal one, so TC is greater than BC. Okay, so we find out this one from bottom or top. Okay, so we simply find out the stock which is happening, the higher CPR. Got it? In the same condition, which you create for a 3-4 days, consecutive 3-4 days. If you find out like this, instead of not like that, this one also we can remove it. It's not an important. Okay, so if you run this alone, you will be getting the same stock, almost 76, only one which increased. And you can continue this for 3 days. So if you run, so we will be getting very minimum number of stocks. Okay, so we have to find out a 76 stock or a 80 stocks is not a right one. Okay, MFSL trend. Okay, so let me check this trend, and we are going to find out a reversal. Look at this, keep on increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4th day. So we are using a 3 days and a uptrend stock. So if you are following that, it was an uptrend stock. So what I am exactly looking for and reversal. Okay, so on the highest level, I'm just looking for a trend and MFSL. So and one more stock, which is going to give you 3 consecutive higher candle, right? So it is going up and up, and finally it is in the top. So like a ascending or descending CPR like that also we can find out. Okay, bottom CPR. And another one, Pause Industries. Okay, so this would be this is what my exact thing which I'm looking for. 2 days back, this one when the stock which broken below the support of previous day. Okay, so on the same day today and previous day is the condition, and today if the stock break below the low of that particular support one, so we can use for a trend reversal or a higher level reversal. First of all, we save the scan in a testing basis, and I have saved this, and maybe you will be finding out the backtest result. Maybe 3 days back, 16 August trend, and it we can keep on going on Reliance and go for. So Reliance, which forming is such a pattern last 3 days. Yeah. So up to 16th Wednesday. Yeah, 16 up to 16 and 17 is not the same format, but it was a reversing back. So this reversal I'm just looking for at the highest level. The top level, if you're finding for a reversal after a keep on moving higher and the highest level. So how did I find out? Simply go for support one to break. So that you need to focus. I will add you the support one here. You can look at this. So this support is keep on increasing, and this day the support is broken, and you can see huge drop from that point. Okay, and another one stock on Go Foods, LTA inventory, but trend is not broken. Trend is not broken, and it is keep on increasing. Correct. And another one more stock is about Go Foods. That's broken. This is what I'm not focusing for a resistance to break, only support to break. So you can see the support is a keep on increasing. Okay, the support is keep on increasing. On point of the time the support is broken, maybe the chances stop we can keep or a pivot or R1, whatever it may be. And this is what a key moment I'm just looking for the trend reversal at a highest level. I hope you understood. Okay, so that stocks and LTM entry. Look back in the day for 16, 17. 17 we got a support broken. So previously the support is not broken. Maybe this point of the time it opened below, it may be broken, but it may be a stop loss kind of trade at the pivot level. If you are keeping a stop loss, it may be triggered. But the reversal we can find out in a huge way after the rally. Okay, by using this simple scanner, we will get a great opportunity, and we can also add that particular condition. So if you want to focus, and these are all the stocks for an opportunity. Okay, and randomly we can check the back test because you don't want to take that much of stocks. In 8th of August, Lara Slab Lupin 8th of August. Maybe here it's a 10th of August, 8th. After that, I had not broken. Maybe 11th, 9th August, the stock will be there, and 10th of August, it broken below and it given me the next up. So maybe the pivot level is my stop loss again, but it is not forming the higher pattern. Okay, that is what an important. And Voltas, Adani, Enterprise. So a lot of stocks. It's about a back test, and these are conditions. This one, 8th August, not broken. Yeah, here broken on 8th August, and it was giving you such a good move. After that, it moves higher. And again, 1, 2, 3 is not there, so we'll leave it. And a lot of stocks. Even we can filter out many things on this scanner, but it is about the beginning, and it is about the idea of this scanner, which will helping you to find out such a big breakout and trend reversal trades. Maybe in next video we can discuss about that support where it is taken from the bottom. So that is also we can do, and we can create some other ideology for this, and we can improve it. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you are like this video, hit your like button and share to your friends. And if you have any questions or doubt, just comment in the comment box below. Thank you so much.